Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for checking my channel. It's my favorite spot for the morning coffee, my koi pond. I love this spot every morning when I wake up and make my coffee, sit right on the spot. See that fish. They all waiting for me. Soon I checking on them. They waiting for me. They jump. They love eating fruit. Swim around, hanging around. Look at that one, how excited they are when they see me in the morning. Just wait for that moment they jump. It's a different color. Makes your morning much more enjoyable. Right there and watching them. This fish, you know what? The first one, when they're hungry to eat it, and they just wait for a few seconds to digest and don't eat that much, and then they pour, and then they come back and they jump, and grab the fruit. You have like 30 or 40 of them in my little pond right there. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I used to have a small pond, but make them bigger for them to live, and they're happy right now. They're very super happy. That one come in. They know where to spot us. They just hanging around there, and just throw the foot in the pond. They jump. They grab it. So colorful. I have red, white, yellow, and even black. I have a couple really black. So you rarely see them because the color hard to see them. I have a couple of the red and then white, the yellow as well. That's it. Get the coffee, relax, and enjoy your morning for yourself and with your friends or kids. Wonderful. You don't need anything else, isn't it? Life is simple. Relax, enjoy with nature. This one not really nature, but I create something nature for my house where I can enjoy it. I love nature. I'm the outdoor guy. I love land. I love rock, water, fish, everything nature. So I mimic the nature into my backyard where I can enjoy it. That's my spot. Coffee. What else do we need, man? Get super quiet. Relax. And play with the coin. They all right there. See? Good job. They love swimming around right there and just hanging around. Very, they are very, they have a lot of energy. When I talk about swim, they're strong. So circle. I put many water plants into my koi, but they destroy them all. They eat them all. I have zero left. So I have the little flow island I make by styrofoam. I plant some land on top. They enjoy to play around with it, but they try to eat my plant as well. So that's very cool. Check in with them. Swim, red, yellow. Be yourself in your world, the world of nature, the world you can enjoy, a cup of coffee, no music, and the sound of the water, the sound of the fish, to set up the bird, set up the waterfall. That's all you need. No music, no techno music, no crazy music. Just right there. You see my fish? I will show you where my fish. Right there. They all here. See that? They swim. Love it. They just swim around. See that? We have orange, red, yellow. Hey, so happy. That one. I had a big one, the orange one, the bloody little yellow. This is my best friend. See right there, the big giant one coming. That's my boy. That's the giant big, he's the leader of the entire history. Swimming, water drops. You hear the water fall sound very strong, very nature, it's like a nature sound. They love the parents who that's doing it gets rapid. Very cute, I know. Love go around to that. That's my island right there. That's my uploading island. I make when I build it pond. Bonsai. That's it. What else do we need? Just a little nature simple pond with koi fish. I love the waterfall sound. Just run on. I bought a bamboo when I built it, the koi pond. Mimic the Japanese garden. So that one on top. You see all my little koi happily swimming around. That's my bougainvillea plant. I have a lot of flowers right there. I have fish of the elephant plant I plant in my pond. Like that. I have a couple of the Japanese lanterns put back there. So I move this corner a little bit in this corner. You see that my favorite corner as well. I plant a lot of flowers. In the afternoon, my koi love to hide themselves under the elephant plant. California very hot, so I don't know if they just try to hide from the heat or not. But they love this spot as well, so they hide underneath right there at the spot. See, that's where they're hanging around in the afternoon. In the morning, they can play everywhere. Thank you, you guys.